and gentlemen, it's William Tell Nash back, and today I'm going to tell you about grand thumb. So grand thumb is where you put your clip in the gun when you're in the war. You press it down in there. The bolt's going to come flying forward, and your thumb's going to get stuck. Then you just got to pull the bolt back like that, and then grand thumb's secure. But it's going to have to heal a lot. It's going to put a little mark inside your thumb.
And blood and stuff.
Yeah. So the proper way to do it, oh shoot, stop. Hold on. There we go. So the proper way to do it, you put the clip in there. You want to put your hand right here, put your thumb on the clip, then push down. Then it's going to go blind forward, but you don't have grand thumb.
Because your hand kept the bolt from coming back.
It's supporting the bolt.
Supporting the bolt.
Yeah, so it doesn't go blind forward.
Awesome.
So, for example, I got my clip. I'm putting it in there. I'm not doing it the right way. Woohoo! I have grand thumb.